How to fix USB connecting and disconnecting issue. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your search bar and then search for edit power plan. Now go to change advanced power settings. Tap on USB settings and then make sure both of them are disabled. After that, go to device manager and then search for USB universal serial bus controllers. Over here, go to all the root hub manager and then go to driver, uninstall device if necessary and reinstall it. But you can also first check by updating your driver and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.